Hello guys, welcome to crafting together. So today we're gonna use something simple and easy. We're gonna use this box today, but we're not gonna use the whole box. No, 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 no. We're gonna take the top out and only use the top of the box. This, if you don't find a box, just find something that is like this. It could be anything that has the same shape as this. Oh my god, you guys! Like, tell me if it's me because it's like every time I'm crafting and on my video I come out dirty. Like I don't get it. Like look, I got hot glue in there. Am I the only one that is always messing up their clothes? And then after I see the video, I'm like, my God, I was clean. I promise you. Like I come clean in this thing, and then I start crafting, getting things together. So before I record, then I'm all dirty. I don't get it. So the first thing I'm going to do after I have my little box, I'm gonna take one of this candle holder. Here you can place it however tall you want you can use the taller candle holder if you want like a taller the base to be taller. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right in the middle right there. Then after we attach it in the middle, we're gonna use some floral foam. But for the floral foam, I'm gonna cut it because we're gonna place it around it like that. And this is so we could use so we could put the branches and the flowers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it around. So just go ahead and grab your hot glue. Make sure to put enough of hot glue and then attach it into place like that. Guys, I love when you guys leave me your thoughts, your comments, letting me know what you guys think. If you think I should do something different, if something would look better, like any ideas that you guys have, let me know because I would like it to incorporate it. Maybe not in that video, but I could do it in the next video. So then we're gonna take these cute little branches like that and we're just gonna place it in the floor foam. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Like that. And place it in there. It's this one that comes in a long way. I just cut it into whatever size I would like. That's why I love to use this. Make sure to put a little bit of hot glue in the stick and then you attach it. Do this one right here. So yeah, guy, like I don't understand why like every time I'm crafting I dirty myself. Like I don't get it. How does it happen? Like I'm always with a stain on something. Every video, if you guys notice, I don't know if you have noticed, like I have a stain somewhere. I do not like it. But that's the fun of crafting. How messy are you? Because I know crafting can be messy. Like I try to make a mess and clean, but we all know when we're crafting, I don't know what it is, but sometimes like my table look destructious. I'm not even gonna show you down there because if I show you, if I show you, you don't want to see. Now I show you next time. I show you next time if you guys want to see. I mean, it's not that messy, but it's a little messy. Okay, maybe I think if I put the orange maybe here. You see, so that's how I do. Like I be moving things around it and then I place it where I think it's gonna look nice. Show you this. I'm gonna move this a little bit. Um, these are massagers. Like they have it in Dollar Tree. You massage your body with it, and they come like in different colors. It's raining outside, so I couldn't do a good job at spray painting them. But I had to come inside, so I'm just gonna place it like this. I don't know. I wanted to make something like different, so that's why I'm doing this. So we're gonna do this. I took all the small little side. I put all the small sides together like that. And here after that, I'm gonna take my hot glue and we're gonna attach these two together. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on the other side and we're gonna attach them together like that. Put it down there and to it attach, right? Like that. I just love the leg how it looks, so that's why I wanted to do it differently. So then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on top and then I'm going to place it right there. Look at that, guys. This is a unique centerpiece. What we doing here is stuff that other people haven't done because we like stuff that are unique. Well, I do. I don't know about you guys. So you see how cute that looks? I like it, Didi. So then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and continue filling up with flowers and put a little bit more branch in the back and attaching more flowers just to make it cute. But you got the idea there. See, I'm just trying to make it cute. Then I can put some beads like that to make it super cute. And here we're gonna, I don't like it how this is like this. Here I'm gonna take this little cute rope and we're gonna place it in here. Place a little bit of hot glue in the rope, and then I'm gonna hold it down here in the back. So then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue in here. I'm gonna place my candle holder in there, and then we're gonna place our candle like that. Guys, tell me that doesn't look nice. What do you think? Yes or no? Look at that. Look how you can't even do it without nothing in the middle and just fill it up with flowers, or you can just place the candle. Let's light this baby up so you guys can see. All right, there. Tell me that ain't cute. Look how nice that looks. I love it how it turns out, you guys. I hope you guys like it too because I like it. Look how nice, guy, that turns out. This would look so beautiful on a table set up. I'm gonna try to do a table setup tomorrow. I'm gonna use this centerpiece and then I'm gonna do a table setup if you guys like it. So let me know if you would like to see a table setup for me with this centerpiece. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it. And look how beautiful that looks. Today we're gonna do an easy DIY. Um, it's not expensive, easy and simple, and you can do it home. You know what I said? If I could do it, so can you. Okay, so let's get started for real, for real. So I'm gonna use one of this floral foam. This one is optional. I don't think you really have to, but if you want it to be steady, it's a good idea to use the little mirror. So I'm gonna take one of this little round mirror. We're gonna take our floral foam. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue in the floral foam around it like that. Make sure to attach it really good. Like I always say, in this part, you need to put enough hot glue. You need to hold it down. You need to attach it because that's what's gonna hold the flowers, and you need to attach it really good. If not, your centerpiece will come apart. So after we do that, we're gonna use this beautiful flower. Look how cute. I love it. So we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna take it apart from the bouquet because I'm just gonna use the flowers. So I'm just gonna pull it out like that. Right. We're gonna need some toothpick. So we're gonna go ahead and take our flowers. We're gonna put it through the toothpick. And here, make sure you put hot glue. But I'm not gonna do that, but you make sure you do so it can hold into place. So I'm just gonna attach the little flower around it like that just to make it look super cute and simple and easy. I'm just showing you that you guys can make a centerpiece out of everything. Out of anything, you guys can make a centerpieces. Hello. That's why you got me here to teach you how to do it. Simple and easy. So I'm just gonna continue attaching the flower like that. Anyways, today is Monday. You know, I thought today was Sunday because we didn't have school. And because we didn't have school, um, and it's raining, so we didn't go nowhere. I'm thinking that it's a Sunday, but it's not Sunday, guys. It's Monday. Let's get it together. But to me, it's a Sunday because there was no school and there was no work. So I'm just gonna place. Look how cute! I love how this little flowers turns out super cute and easy. I'm gonna take this cute little white one. They're so pretty. I'm gonna take some toothpick and I'm gonna place it around just to make it cute. Right. After that, I'm gonna take one of this glass and we're gonna place it right here. So we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue around it like that. And then I'm gonna place it right. Okay, wait. Right in there. Like guys, if you have like a lot of pearls, put it in there. I just have a little bit, so I'm gonna place a few of them there. I have this cute like little string of white beads. I'm gonna place it inside, right? So I want to do this to place it around there. We're gonna put a little bit of hot glue in the pearls and then we're going to attach it Hold it down there. Hold it. I'm gonna take one of these cute little flower, right? I was gonna stick it to the pearl, but I am not because it's not holding down. So I'm just gonna attach it to the glass like that, to the back like that. So I'm gonna do another one and then just attach it in there like that. I have this candy jars in Dollar Tree, but we're gonna use the top of the candy jar. In here, after it dries up, I'm gonna put some water. Guys, I don't know, you can't see it. You what? You have to fill it up all the way to the top. Okay. Okay, if you see it from the bottom, that's how it looks. And after we do that, I'm gonna take my hot glue and place it around it here. And in here, I'm going to take this and I'm going to attach it in there. So after that, we're gonna take one of this glass. I'm gonna place it in here, and then we're gonna do the same thing. I'm going to attach the flower. I'm gonna put one at the bottom, one on the top. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna place it like that so it can be better for me, and then I'm going to attach it. So it could be like this. I'm going to do another one. Boom, boom, like that, and then go like that. Perfect. So then I'm just gonna place the candle inside after I put water, and look how cute that turns out, you guys. You see how the flower looks in here. Make sure you put hot glue on all part of the flowers. On each little part of the flower, put hot glue. Then hold it down, let it dry for a little while, and then you put the water. The key is to dry it. And look how beautiful, guys. Look how the pearl looks. I love how the flower turns out, the candle, this part over here. I love it how it turns out. I hope you guys look at that. I hope you guys love it. Let me turn it on so you guys can see it. And look how beautiful you guys that turns out. I loved it how this turns out. Hope you guys like it as well too. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.